Alright. We're gonna look at our trade yesterday. This is what's been happening in the market. Got a little down ski there, so we're gonna be looking for a little up skis, you know what I'm saying? We got these buy signals that came in. They be looking nice and fine, but they be looking even finer on this chart here with these ones. Boom, a boom, 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 and let's not forget a little bouncy offy this here level, which means we took the buy position, took our favorite 0.6 risk to reward, and closed. Bam. Just like that. That explains my strategy right there. It says buy, I buy. It says sell, I sell. Bada boom.